zeros at the end of this product. 5 into 10 into 15 into 20 into 25 into 30 into 35 into 40 into 45 into 50. Okay, so question is find number of zeros at the end of this product. 5 into 10 into 15 into 20 into 25 into 30 into 35 into 40 into 45 into 50. Okay, just calculate this product, then at the end how many zeros are there. Okay, see, we will get 0 when we multiply 2 and 5. Okay, we get 0 only from this multiplication 2 and 5. So first we find number of 2's here, then number of 5's. Okay, see 2, number of 2's. In 5, no 2, and 10. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So we have 1, 2, next 15. 15 is 3 into 5, no 2. 20. See, 20 is 20 actually 2 square into 5. So number of 2 is here 2. Next 25, no 2. 30, that is 2 into 15, 1. 35, no. 40. 40 is 2 cube into 8. 40. 40 equals to 2 cube into 5. So 3, 45, no 2, and 50, 2 into 25, so 1. So total number of 2's in this product is 3, 4, 7, 8. So total number of 2, here we have 8. Now we calculate number of 5. Number of 5. Here 1, 10, 2 into 5, 1. 15, 1, 1, now 25, 5 into 5, so we have 2, 5, 1, 1, 40, 1, 45, 1, 55, 50 actually, 25 into 2, so it is 5 square into 2, so we have 2 5 here, so number of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. So we have 8 2's and 5 12. So how many 2 into 5 multiplication possible? So we have 8 2's and 12 5. So how many multiplication 2 into 5 multiplication possible? Minimum of these two, that is 8. So at the end of this product, that is 5 into 10 into 15 into 20 into 25 into 30 into 35 into 40 into 45 into 50, we will get 8 zeros. Okay. So at this end of this product, we will get 8 zeros. Next, take one more problem. Question is, find number of zeros at the end of 100 factorial. Find number of zeros at the end of 100 factorial. What is 5 factorial? 5 factorial actually 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So 100 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into up to 100. Up to 100. So 100 factorial is product of all the natural numbers from 1 to 100. So at the end of this product, that is 100 factorial, how many zeros are there? Okay, so we have to find number of 2's and number of 5. Okay, so first we find number of 2's. Just divide 100 by 2 and the quotient is 50. Now divide 50 by 2, quotient is 25. Next divide 25 by 2, quotient is 12. Divide 12 by 2, divide 12, quotient is 6. Divide 6 by 2, quotient is 3. Divide 3 by 2, it is 1. Now calculate this sum of quotients. That is 50 plus 25 plus 12 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. 50 plus 25 plus 12 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. So it is 75, 87, 93, 96, 75, 87, 93, 96, 97. So at the end of this product, we have total 97 tools. Okay. So at the end of this product, we have 97 tools. Now calculate number of 5s. So divide 100 by 5, quotient is 20. Divide 20 by 5, quotient is 4. Now so sum of quotient, here we have 4 cannot be divided by 5. So sum of quotient is 20 plus 4, that is 24. So total number of 5 we have here 24. Number of 2's is 97. So how many 2 into 5 multiplication possible? Here number of 2's is 97. Number of 5 is 24. So minimum of these two is 24. So number of 2 into 5 multiplication possible is 24. So at the end of 100 factorial, we have 24 zeros. Okay, at the end of this 100 factorial, we have 24 zeros. So question is, how many zeros are at the end of this product? Divide 100 by 5, quotient 20 divided by 5, quotient 4. So just calculate this sum, 24. So at the end of this product, we have total 24 5s. Similarly, we have 97 2's. So minimum of these two is 24. So how many multiplication, 2 into 5 multiplication possible? 24. Okay, so at the end of this product, we have 24 zeros. Okay, next question. Find number of zeros at the end of 50 factorial plus 60 factorial plus 70 factorial plus 80 factorial plus 90 factorial plus 100 factorial. Okay, find number of zeros at the end of this product, 50 factorial plus 60 factorial plus 70 factorial plus 80 factorial plus 90 factorial plus 100 factorial. Okay, so first calculate minimum of these numbers, minimum of these terms, 50 factorial, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So minimum is 50 factorial. Okay, first calculate number of zeros at the end of 50 factorial. Okay, at the end of 50 factorial. So divide 50 by 5, quotient 10, divide 10 by 5, quotient 2. So at in 50 factorial, number of 5 is 12 and 2, it is more than 12. So 25 divide to 12, divide to 6, divide to 3, divide 3 by 2. Sum of quotient is 20. So this is 25 plus 2, 37, 43, 46, 47. Okay, so we have 5 number of 5s 12, number of 2s 47. So how many 2 into 5 multiplication possible? It is 12. 12. So in 50 factorial, we have 50 factorial. In 50 factorial, we have 12 zeros at the end. At the end of 50 factorial, we have 12 zeros. So in 60 factorial, it is more than 12. In 70 factorial, it is more than 12. In 80 factorial, number of zeros at the end more than 12. More than 12. Here also more than 12. Now see, question is find number of zeros at the end of this sum, 50 factorial plus 60 factorial plus 70 factorial plus 80 factorial, 90 factorial, 100 factorial. See one number, 100, then calculate this sum, suppose 2000, next 30,000, next 4 lakhs. Okay, just calculate this sum. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the end of this sum, 100 plus 2000 plus 30,000 plus 4 lakhs, their number of zeros is 2 because of this term. Here number of zeros is 2, and number of zeros is 3, and number of zeros is 4, and number of zeros is 5. So minimum of 2, 3, 4 and 5 is 2. Okay, see here number of zeros is 12. Here number of zeros is more than 12, more than 12, more than 12, more than 12, more than 12. So at the end of this sum, we'll get 12 zeros. Okay, so question is find number of zeros at the end of this sum. Answer is 12. Okay. Next, Question is find number of zeros at the end of this. Find number of zeros at the end of 10 factorial to the power 50 plus 20 factorial to the power 10 plus 30 factorial to the power 5. Okay, find number of zeros at the end of this product. 10 factorial to the power 50 plus 20 factorial to the power 10, 30 factorial to the power 5. Okay. Now in 10 factorial you have two zeros. At the in 10 factorial we have two zeros. So 10 factorial to the power 50 we have 2 into 50 number of zeros. So in 10 factorial to the power 50 we have number of zeros 100. So in 10 factorial to the power 50 we have 100 zeros. In 20 factorial we have 4 zeros. In 20 factorial we have 4 zeros. So in 20 factorial to the power 10 we have number of zeros 40. In 30 factorial we have 7 zeros. So number of zeros is 7 into 5, 35. In 10 factorial to the power 50 we have 2 into 50, that is 100 zeros. In 20 factorial to the power 10 we have 40 zeros. In 30 factorial to the power 5 we have 35 zeros. So question is number of zeros at the end of this sum. So minimum of these three is 35. So answer is 35. Okay. So answer 35. In our next day class we will solve some more problems related to number of zeros. Just take some homework. Question number 1. Find number of zeros at the end of 1 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 2 into 3 cube into 4 to the power 4 dot dot up to 10 to the power 10. This is question number 1. Find number of zeros at the end of this product 1 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 3, 4 to the power 4 dot dot 10 to the power 10. Okay. This is question number 1. Next question, right? Find number of zeros at the end of 7 into 10 factorial to the power 6. Find number of zeros at the end of this product 7 into 10 factorial to the power 6. 7 into 10 factorial to the power 6. Take one more problem. Find number of zeros at the end of 10 factorial into 20 factorial into 30 factorial into 40 factorial. Find number of zeros at the end of 10 factorial into 20 factorial into 30 factorial into 40 factorial. Okay. So try to solve all these 4 problems. If you are unable to solve, you can see solution in the next video. Okay. We'll solve all these problems in next video. Okay. Thank you.